There are totally 5 categories of pranayama: the energizing and vitalizing one, the stabilizing one, the cooling, balancing, and tranquilizing. Let's start with the energizing and vitalizing category. Bhastrika, the bellows breath, where you inhale and exhale fully, using arms, hands in a loose fist at shoulder level. Inhale, hands up, exhale, hands down. Let's begin. Full inhale, full exhale. Continue without pausing. Bhastrika has no contraindications, provided you do it at the pace and the capacity that you can handle. If the body gives any signals of hammering temples or heaviness in the head, then start going slowly or do alternate nostril Bhastrika. This is slow Bhastrika. Or do alternate nostril Bhastrika. With right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, index fingertip, middle fingertip at the thumb joint, you can do the same Bhastrika if you are a beginner. Continue. Eyes should be closed. The alternate nostril Bhastrika and the passive Bhastrika is something I have shown you only if you are a beginner or you have high blood pressure. Otherwise, you can do the normal Bhastrika. There are several other pranayams of the energizing and the vitalizing category, but we are doing only one in every category. Continue. Full force. Inhale, exhale. Bhastrika, breathing oxygenates the blood and hence invigorates our body. It helps overcome sluggishness, especially in the morning, which is the best time to do it. Because the moment we wake up, if we start with any negative thought, there is an energy dip. And Bhastrika will reverse that. It strengthens our respiratory system, enhances our lung capacity. It strengthens our diaphragm. It supports those recovering from respiratory issues. They have to do it more gently and under guidance. It balances the nervous system and hence manages anxiety and stress. Bhastrika detoxifies the body, promotes faster removal of carbon dioxide and other toxins. See how encouraged you feel when I talk to you about the benefits of Bhastrika, the vitalizing pranayama. Full inhale, full exhale. Promotes faster removal of carbon dioxide and activates internal cleansing. Supports our digestion. Enhances spiritual practice. Discontinue the practice. Notice how you feel at this time. Don't do anything. Make sure you journal of the shift that you felt after doing Bhastrika. Write it down after you finish your session. Discontinue the practice. To now come to the second category, the stabilizing pranayam category. With the right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, index finger and middle finger at the thumb joint, close the right nostril with the thumb, inhaling from the left, exhaling from the right. One-way traffic, inverted V shape. To activate the nervous system, experience the inverted V shape. Inhale only through the left nostril. Exhale only through the right. Slows the heart rate, as in it is excellent for reversing stress and insomnia. Chandra Bhedan Pranayam, a stabilizing pranayam. Make sure you add Ujjayi to it by inhaling from the left nostril, exhaling from the right, rubbing from the throat pit. So you're doing Ujjayi, the rub, the soundful rub in the throat is called Ujjayi. Continue, don't stop. We're bringing our nervous system back to its equilibrium with this. Chandra is the moon. Bhedan is piercing. Chandra Bhedan Pranayam. Discontinue the practice. And now notice how you feel after doing the stabilizing pranayam. Be very, very sensitive to notice the shift. It's a major transformation. We're now doing the third category of the 5 important different categories of pranayam. In this, there are mainly 2, Shitali and Shitkari. Inhale through a rolled tongue or pursed lips. Exhale through the nose. Making sure when you exhale from the nostrils. This balances excess pitta in the body and emotionally soothes us. There is a nice hissing sound. Cools the gut. Heat in the gut will rise to heat in the head, creating problems like hammering temples, heat, macular degeneration, heat in the eyes, ears. That's harmful and dangerous. We want to reduce our inner heat. And Shitali, this cooling pranayam, cools the system, lowers internal heat and calms agitation. When you inhale in Shitali, try to retain for a few seconds. Let it do its work. And exhale in Ujjayi, the soundful throat rub. Discontinue the practice to do the next category, tranquilizing. Tranquilizing is for reversing sleep disorders, insomnia, snoring, sleep apnea, anxiety, panic attacks. Its purpose to do Brahmari. The purpose is to keep deep mental health and emotional relaxation. Here we inhale fully in Ujjayi. Don't do it sudden jerks mein, do it peacefully. Hold the inflated abdomen and lungs. Then plug the ears closed with the index fingers. Make a humming sound exhaling, feeling the vibrations in the entire frontal part of the face. Continue a few more rounds. The vibrations soothe the brain and calm the senses. So this is about helping us quiet a mental chatter. It is also called bee pranayam, humming bee pranayam in the West. On finishing this category, the tranquilizing pranayams, we do the fifth and the last category called balancing pranayam. In that we do alternate nostril breathing called Anulom Vilom, where we bring our right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, index finger, middle finger at the thumb joint, thumb, ring finger, little finger pointed. We close the right nostril, inhale from the left. We close the left, exhale from the right. Then we close the right, exhale from the left. Alternate nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. ये अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम है ना, ऑल्टरनेट नॉस्ट्रिल ब्रीदिंग, सब प्राणायाम का बाप है. और उज्जय सब प्राणायाम की माँ. अगर उज्जय और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम साथ में किया तो सच में यू विल सी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वेरी फास्ट. देयर इज अ बिग बट ओवर हियर, एंड द बट इज that you need to journal the shift that you felt from these basic pranayam categories. Anulom Vilom Pranayam in Ujjayi, the fifth and the last category of balancing pranayams. When you inhale, inflate your abdomen, your lungs, till your collarbones and clavicles. All this in Ujjayi. Hold Antar Kumbhak. Exhale from the other nostril. Inhale from the other. Hold. Exhale from the first. Five main categories of pranayama. After the energizing practices like Bhastrika, it is essential to follow up with stabilizing pranayams to balance the nervous system, to ground our energy, and to shift from sympathetic activation to parasympathetic, which is a restful state. Hence, we follow it with stabilizing pranayams, cooling and calming pranayams, centering pranayams like the balancing ones. And hence, we are doing Nadi Shodhan, alternate nostril breathing. Its main purpose is to balance both the hemispheres of the brain and calm the mind. It restores balance between the moon that is calming, Ida, and the sun that is activating, Pingla. Continue. It reduces anxiety. We are lying if we are saying we don't get anxiety. Whether we surface it or not, deep down in the gut, it often surfaces. And this reduces anxiety, stabilizes our mood, and improves our mental clarity. It is because I am saying these benefits constantly that you are more and more motivated to do it. If you were doing it alone, you would have given up in 1 minute, 2 minutes. Chalo, ho gaya. But here you are actually going through the visualizing of, oh wow, okay, my anxiety is getting less. My mood is getting better and stabilized. I'm starting to become fearless. My memory is getting unfogged. And after Bhastrika, the bellows breath, or any energizing pranayam, it is ideal to do this to bring the nervous system back into equilibrium. Because we did the Bhastrika and then we did the Chandra Bhedan Pranayam where we did the left nostril inhale, exhale. There also we inhaled only through the left nostril and exhaled only through the right. That along with the cooling pranayam of the humming bee cooled us, slowed our heart rate. Excellent for stress and reversing insomnia. Especially effective after an energizing pranayam like Bhastrika. If one wants to feel too amped up, too good. And the best after doing Shitali, which we are doing now, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, because we have just done Shitali, where we were inhaling through our rolled tongue, pursed lips, exhaling through the nose. All this we were doing in Ujjayi to balance our pitta, emotional soothing. None of what we have done in this back to the basics category has any contraindication. Do it fearlessly without worrying that you are forbidden to do it. And if you don't get your results, come and take it from me. एक खाली मैं दिखाती हूं उतना करते रहो, और फिर अगर आपको रिजल्ट्स ना मिले, मेरे घर पे आके मुझसे ले जाइए. That's a promise to you. I'm saying this because I'm here to serve my community. I'm saying this because I want to reduce pain of women on this earth. Men too. But because I'm on this mission, continue. Balancing pranayam has to be much longer than the other 4 categories. This world has always expected women to do a lot. There are millions of them over 45 and 50 silently suffering. Behind their smiles lie years of emotional suppression, physical exhaustion, relationship traumas, hormonal imbalances, and a deep unspoken burnout which he can't even express. I have been through a lot myself, and hence I can relate with each one of them and each one of you who is hearing me today and watching me today. The world has always expected these women to keep giving, as mothers, as wives, as daughters, as professionals, as entrepreneurs. But who heals this healer? Stress becomes normal, depression goes unnoticed, arrhythmia is not even noticed and observed, it is dismissed till she lands up getting a stroke or in a hospital. Our healthcare system only treats the symptoms. Our society does not honor the emotional journey of women who cross 50 and 55. It's a real crisis which so many don't talk about. I'm doing this back to the basics, pranayam's 5 categories, the energizing and vitalizing, the stabilizing, the cooling, the tranquilizing, the balancing. You're still doing the balancing as you hear me. Sky is the limit to do the balancing category, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Palming and Anulom Vilom, that is balancing, can be done all our life. Even if we are doing our daily chores, we can keep our nostrils. बाई नासिका ने सांस ली, दाई नासिका ने सांस छोड़ी. Cooking करते करते, काम करते करते. After looking after your mom or your husbands or your children, or some incapacitated people in the house, कुछ भी करते करते आप कर सकते हो. लगे रहो. Help me live my mission. I'm on a mission to really build a global tribe of healed super women. You are healing, heal them too. The more you heal them, the more radiant, balanced, powerful beings who have reclaimed their health, energy and inner joy through breathwork, gratitude and sacred self-care, not only will they get, but you will get in multiples. And I'm calling this the new Shakti era, where a woman over 45, 50 is not past her prime. They say, I'm past my prime, I'm perimenopausal, I've landed up with a terminal disease. No way. not if I am in your lives, not if all of you are in their lives. Let's bring back the power in each one of them through us. What did I just do? I polished myself. Whatever I may have done to you by doing back to the basics, I did a lot for myself. This is what my mentors tell me when I call them when I am broken. And when I thank them, I say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And they say, Arey Bijal, we should be thanking you. We polished ourselves. Last 3 rounds. You're multitasking currently. That is the role of a woman, right? You were doing the balancing category of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You were doing abdominal and thoracic breathing. You were doing Ujjayi. You were in Nasagraha, Nasika Mudra. You were combining all this as you heard me, motivating you, hearing my mission. You were inflating your abdomen, your lungs till your collarbones, oxygenating yourselves. You were often even making sure that your exhalations were longer than your inhalations. Wow, wow, wow. Mission accomplished. Back to the basics. Repeat after me after discontinuing Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Repeat after me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then fill in your name. Bijal, Prabha, Swati, Rohini, Sohini, whichever your name. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have benefited so phenomenally by doing the 5 different categories of breathwork of pranayam today. I became an energy queen by doing the energizing one. I stabilized myself because every moment is impermanent. I cooled myself with the cooling pranayam, Shitali, and that gave me innumerable benefits too. I know now I will not only sleep better, but help others sleep better through Brahmari, the tranquilizing pranayam. And I will balance myself, getting the innumerable benefits of Anulom Vilom alternate nostril breathing. So simple. The masters have given it to us. I will do it and I will make others do it. I will heal that neighbor, that staff member, that lift man, that driver, that colleague, that friend, like my community does. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this amazing moment. Above all, thank you for those who were taking care of the chores in my house. While I could pay attention to myself as I did the 5 basic categories of pranayam, as I wore my oxygen mask and fastened my seat belt. With the kind of energies that I have shown now and today, show me those energies to get ready out there. Heal those women over 45. Join my community, my global tribe, to make them as radiant, balanced, powerful beings to reclaim their health, their energy, their inner joy, just like we are all doing it together. With that, we end today's session. Thank you all. Do a good round of palming. Palming, palming, palming. Rub, 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 rub. Rub and say, I am the energy queen. The prana is flowing into me through my eyes, through palming. Then slowly bring the hands down. Slowly open your eyes and rise charged and ready for the day. Thank you all. Thank you for being a part of this journey.